summation problem, I noticed there's a good deal of symmetry over here. It's going from minus 2021 to 2021. Now, looking at it before I proceed with the problem, it does look familiar to me. I've certainly seen problems like this before, and my expectation is something Gaussian in this, where you're going to see, the famous sum formula. You're going to see some pairings that turn out to be rather nice in the problem. Now, I don't know that looking at it, but what I did was I did the paper and pencil, and then I saw the pairings, and then I said, well, let me check to make sure I didn't lose something in the pairing of it. So let me go back to Sage, and I'm gonna clear the screen again. I'm gonna reset and get to find a variable k, and then I'm gonna type in the sum form. And again, as I do that, I'll go back over the actual problem and tell you where that's written. It's written right over here that s, I'm using this as a placeholder, is equal to sum, where k goes from minus 2021 up to 2021. And the summand is 1 over 10 to the k plus 1. Now, I want to emphasize that when I hit the return button there, you notice that Sage is just blinking over here. And it finished it. But the bottom line is it took a little time to compute that. I think the main reason is it's probably coming up on a number that's came up with a pretty nice number, actually. I thought it was going to give me some wacky looking, really like expansive number that represents that. But it computed each term separately, added it separately, just like a thug would do. And I got an answer, and that's the answer they got. Of course, you're a lot quicker than a human could do that. Now, what's the question? The question is the floor. The floor of what? It's going to be 2 star the S. All right? And what do you get there? You get 4,043. What answer did we get? 4,043. It's important to realize why I'm checking. I'm checking to make sure I didn't make any error in my paper and pencil work. And that's the sole reason for checking these things. Thank you.